Electrical contacts can accumulate contaminants such as dirt, grease and oxidation, all of which can damage electrical items and cause equipment malfunction, especially if left to sit too long. These contaminants can become tough to clean. Purasolve Precision Cleaner is a high-tech, low-hazard electrical contact cleaner and residue-free safety solvent. It is slow evaporating for extended cleaning time, resulting in cost savings from a reduction in the volume of cleaning solvent used. The slow evaporation ensures better cleaning results and saves labour time. After cleaning, no residues are left, and the surface does not need to be re-cleaned. Additionally, with low VOC levels and low vapour pressure, product use is up to 20 times less than comparative solvents. Traditional electrical contact cleaners contain highly toxic and dangerous products. They often contain a mixture of explosive gases combined with solvents that have been linked to health problems such as cancer and nerve damage. With Purasolve Precision Cleaner, you can breathe easy. It is 100% free of dangerous chlorinated or halogenated solvents and does not contain any suspected carcinogens. The N-hexane-free formulation also protects you from nerve damage. Purasolve Precision Cleaner is a professional-grade electrical contact solvent, ideal for cleaning motors, switches, relays, circuit boards, electronic components, and other precision cleaning applications. For more information, contact us at 1800 777 580 or sales@envirofluid.com.